Hey, let me show you how you can bring your web pages to life with JavaScript. This is the course for you if you want to learn how to interact with your web page elements all using code. We're going to be walking you through all of the basics of JavaScript coding, including variables, functions, loops, how you can apply conditions, applying logic within your code, showing you how you can write JavaScript that interacts with your web page elements. You get content from the element by selecting the element, making updates to the element, getting values, and creating that interaction that all web users enjoy. JavaScript can make things happen. Your imagination is the only limit. Source code is included, as well as a downloadable PDF guide that includes lessons, challenges, source code, tips, resources, and a whole lot more. Join now, start coding today, learn more about JavaScript and what you can do to make things happen in your web pages. Join the interactive web pages with JavaScript course today and start coding.